Tearz. Looee. Radio check. What is your current situation over? Roger. We have contacts to our front. We are pushed pretty far in front of it. We move, instead of going across that road, just continue right where you got hit at. You'll find us. Over. Owen. Contact, right there. Hit him. Left. Right there. Hold on.
Possible contact on 12.
How many?
Just one.
Get on line. Firearm. Come on.
Call that! Thank you. Feel bad for that guy. He got lit the fuck up.
Peter!
Yo!
We need you. Guys, we pushed all the way down. We pushed them. Alright, so we pushed them all the way back to their spawn. Okay?
One more. No! Ah! I got these long gorilla arms, man. They go down to my knees. I got gorilla arms and monkey toes. I am the missing link.
No, I got it. They didn't want me to wait. Okay. Go back and good idea.
Incoming!
Let's go.
Oh, everybody gets some.
Hey, take her down. On the left. Be advised, we got friendlies coming up from our right side.
What's your friendly fire?
Good shit. Keep it up, all right? Keep your sector fire that way, okay? You.
Yo.
Sector fire over there. You keep eyes that way. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Check it out. I need sector fire over there. Sean, hold him out over there. Up there with them. Up there with them. No, no, no. I got that over here. I need you to come out of here. Come on. Where? Stop. Get on that wall. Get on that wall right there. Cover to your left.
Yeah, he's dead.
Commander Panda, this is Task Force Swift. Over.
Commander Panda, go ahead.
Be advised, we've just repelled an assault on the POW camp. Break. We're holding down right now. We have a good amount of sufficient forces to defend it. What is your current situation? Over. Interrogative. Do you guys need more forces? Over.
Negative. I want that POW camp locked down.
I was sitting behind them.
That's a solid copy. Task Force Swift out.
I'm not.
I see them. Taking it.
Yeah, I got him. See him, he like just comes straight in by 12.
We got it. Be advised, we're about to have multiple contacts coming from the left.
I feel like this is kind of a bad-ish spot for most people down there because they're shooting down into us.
We got cover. They got cover.
Contact!
Get ready.
See through there?
Yep. Hold fire, bro. Hold fire. Wait until you see them actually coming to a gauge. All right? If they're walking by, they may be going back to their spawn. Tearz, Looee, if I say I need you to shift to the left, I need you to put your whole team.
Looks like they're trying a different position.
That's only if we're getting that much contact from the left. They tried this, they know they didn't work with us. Stay here.
I will.
Watch your right. You're good. You stay here.
No.
Owen, move to the tower. Sean,
You.
accompany him.
All right. Be my honor. In the tower. Okay. Watch your step up here, it's not solid.
Really? The fucking game? That's game.
Good first round.